How to sign up on Duolingo. 1. Open the Duolingo application. 2. Select this icon. 3. Select Create Profile. 4. Enter your age. 5. Select Continue. 6. Select Continue with Google. 7. Select Maybe Later. 8. Select Skip. 9. Select Continue. 10. Select this icon. 11. Select Profile. Success, you have signed up. Don't forget to like and subscribe.